To activate One UI Home.
If you accidentally turn on Talkback,
And hold to long
I'm going to
press.
show you how to easily turn off this Talkback in your Samsung device. All you have to need, use your two fingers just like so to go to App Library. Once you are in your App Library, you can use your two fingers to go to our next app page just like so. Now you have to select the settings, so tap on settings. Once you selected settings, double tap on settings app and your settings app will be open. Again, use your two fingers to scroll down in settings and single tap on accessibility. Now double tap on accessibility open and here select Talkback, double tap on Talkback and tap on this button. Now double tap on this button to turn off Talkback. And that's it. This is how we can turn off Talkback. Thank you.